The following video is a TRAK DPM2. This unit has a ProtoTrack SMX CNC control. This unit is new 2011. Chris is going to run a bare field demonstration for you today.
All right, let's go ahead and run through all of our actions. We'll start with E. There is E. For Y, forward. 3Y back. Center that. There's our X. Bring X back. Also manual mode. There's our Y. There's our X. We'll turn the spindle off. Spindle is currently set for 300 RPM.
300 RPM.
Go ahead and set our tool here.
Showing the power down feed on the quill. You can see the axes there.
Bring this up to 1,000 RPM. You can see it move.
1000 RPM. You can see the Z-axis while the quill is power down feeding. He's adjusting the stop.
I'm not waiting forever.
Once the quill hits its stop, it will stop going. It will stop feeding down. Perfect.
Drop down. All right. So we're at 1,000 RPM current. Speed control, we'll go to 2,000 RPM. That is 2,000 RPM. That is 3,000 RPM. That's 4,000 RPM. Bring it back down. Back to 300 RPM. And emergency stop. She's done.
Again, the preceding video was a TRAK DPM2 CNC vertical mill, new 2011.